Hello friends, welcome to you on Delhi IAS. Friends, today is day 50 of my preparation and my target, that is UPSC CSE 2024. Its prelims exam will be on 26 May 2024 and total days are remaining only 319. So let us see what will be my today's schedule so that I can achieve my target. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. It gives me motivation to study further and to achieve my goal. Okay, so as you can see, today is 12th of July 2023. But before today's schedule, let us see what I have achieved from yesterday's schedule. Yesterday I also prepared a schedule, how much I have achieved. Friends, I'm very happy because since after a long gap of study, now I am able to achieve, now I am able to come on my track of study. As you can see from my yesterday's schedule, I did 9 to 10 technique learning. Yes, I did very nicely. And after that, what I did? After that, 11 to 12 sociology unit 7 politics and society. It's pre-study. Yes, I did. Then I did GS2 role of NGO and SSG. It's pre-study. Yes, I did. But I did same thing here also and here also because it's a big topic. I thought it's a small topic, that's why I during scheduling I add this topic also, government policies, and I added GS3 pre-study also, internal security. But it's a big topic. Second thing, during this 1 hour from 3 to 4 I went to hospital again because doctor called me for my doctor called me to for my review of my health, and he put glucose, one more bottle on glucose to me. So that's why this time was in hospital nearly 2 hours. And what happened then, 6 to 8 I also did the same thing, that is role of NGO-SSG. Then 9 to 10 this time I didn't study, and I just spend it as a free time, relaxed time, because I was not in the condition to study further. Okay, so overall this shows that half of the, that is nearly 50% target, I achieved nearly 50% of target, which is good thing because it has improved from yesterday. I achieved very less target, and today I will try to achieve more. Okay, so let us see what will be my today's target. As you can see, from 9 to 10 I will do this technique learning, and from 11 to 12 I will do sociology. I have already done, so I will do this thing. Let me remove this thing, sociology. Wait a second. Yes, because sociology I have already done. So what I will do during this time, the remaining thing. Okay, remaining thing in the sense, this thing, pre-study of, wait a second, yes, pre-study of GS2 government policies, this thing, from 11 to 12. Okay, and then again from 1 to 2 are also the same thing, government policies pre-study, because it's a big topic. These are big topics. Okay, and then from 3 to 4 I will do pre-study of GS3 internal security. Okay, and yes, and this 6 to 8 is my buffer time. During this time, if anything remaining from this, I will do that thing, as you can see here. And yes, similarly 9 to 10 is also buffer time. If anything remaining, I will do that during this time. And from today I will do, definitely I will do my COB and research and development, instead of just relaxing, even if I'm not in the condition of studying, but I will do some fruitful work. Okay, so this was my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve. Please subscribe the channel, it gives me motivation to move in this direction. Thank you.